How to share file on Google Drive for Windows. Google's free cloud storage platform, Google Drive, is a great collaboration tool, but you have to know how to share files and folders to make it fulfill its potential. Actually, sharing a file is easy. It's the particular of making sure you have the proper stuff with the right people that gets tricky. First, let's open the browser. On the address bar, write drive.google.com. Please be sure to log in if you do not see a page with all your folders and files. If you want to share a file, just right-click the file you want to share. On the menu, select Share. You can share a file with a specific person or share a file with anybody who has the file's link. It depends on you how you want to share the file. If you want to share the file with somebody and you have their email address, just write on the input the person's email. Click on that email. Write a message. Also, you can share the permission you want to give. The person can view, edit, or only place comments on the document. Select what you want and then hit send. You have now shared the file with a specific person. But what if you want to share a file with a group of people? You can do this. Right-click on the file you want to share. Click Get Link. Also, change restricted to anyone with the link. You will be able to copy a link to send. This method is easier but is less safe as anybody with this link can have access to that file. This is how you share a file on Google Drive for Windows. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.